Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Fab Fairy here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I got another video for you guys today. Today is a haul. It's a SHEIN haul. Yes, my package came in today and I was like, I need to show you guys what I got. You guys know it's a new year, it's 2025, and your girl has been focusing on her wellness, her fitness, and her self-care. So I had to invest in some workout sets, okay? And guess where I got it from? SHEIN. So I decided to show you guys what I got from SHEIN, okay? So stay tuned and let's get straight into this video. And if you're new here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Fab Farah. I am a nurse, content creator, a lover of all things fashion, beauty, travel, and lifestyle. And go ahead and smash that subscribe button because you're gonna like it. You're gonna see hauls, you're gonna see makeup, you're gonna see everything, a little bit of everything. So you're gonna like it, fam. So go ahead and join the family and stay tuned because we're gonna get straight into the video. All right, first set. Ooh, I like, y'all. This is a brown taupey set that I got, and it is super cute, super stretchy. I love this. Super cute. You can actually wear this like for athleisure if you're not working out but you just want to step out the house. Okay, like, come on now. You can't tell me this is not cute. This is cute, honey. I would bring all the boys to the yard. Yes. Guys, I love this. I just love how the two colors, they mesh well. Very good. Super cute. I actually don't want to wear this to the gym. I want to wear this like out for brunch or something. All right, you guys, so this is the second gym shirt. This fits tighter than I would like it, but once it's on, it doesn't feel that bad. It was a little tight putting it on, but I guess it stretches out to your body type. I like it, definitely like it. I like the shorts. It's comfortable, breathable, but there's definitely some compression to it. So if you don't like tight gym clothes, I don't recommend this particular set. But it's cute. I might wear it for like athleisure though. All right, you guys, so this is the last set. This is probably the most comfortable set because it stretches, so you're able to put it on with no hesitation. I like the color. I also I have a black cropped hoodie that'll go nice with this. Let me just put it on. Yeah, so this is the crop top that I was telling you guys about. See how it looks like completed, it looks put together. Definitely cute. 10 out of 10, yes. That is all for my SHEIN plus size workout set haul. If you like any of these sets, I'm gonna link all of these. I'm gonna tag all of these links in my LTK so you guys can get them yourselves. And yeah, enjoy your workout because when you look good, you feel good, you perform good, and you wanna work out, okay? So go ahead, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.